This is a 2009 2500 heavy duty 5.7 liter Hemi. What we have here is what we're going to do is test the fuel pump pressure. These trucks don't have the testing port on the other side like the older Hemis. So what I'm going to do is going to cobble together a test head so we can test the pressure. You can rent these kits, but it does not come with the proper fitting to plug into the fuel line. What I had to do was cobble together a piece. So this here is a half side of a fuel rail, right? From another truck that I don't have or probably never use. I cut the line going over to the other rail. Then the fitting, there's a fitting that comes in here. It looks like that one there, right? On this side. And it's really stiff. So what I did was I took the heat gun, right? Heated it up. Didn't take long. And then it pushed right on and clamped it. I got this side here. This hose came with the kit. And I have this fitting in my spare parts bins of here's a fitting that can go on here with a valve. If you don't have that, you could put something in there to plug it off, right? Because we want to tie into here. Got to tie into here with the gauge, which is over here. Then let's get her hooked up on the truck and see if it works. To disconnect this line, you need this special tool. This is going to have pressure in it. I already had this off because I was trying to see if that I can make it work before, but I put it back on. Yeah, you're going to need rags. There's going to be gas in here. I know that there's some pressure, but there's not enough to start the truck. The truck will fire, but it won't start it. There's just not enough pressure. I'll get this off. Make sure you use rags, and then we'll hook up the test head. There, I got my test head hooked up. There's my line there. Going into here. There's the hose. Valve. So really, you could go to the junkyard and get one of these and just put a gauge on here, right? See that? That's all I have to do is put a gauge here. I don't have a gauge, but I got the line hooked up. And there we are. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and turn the key on and see what happens. I'm going to turn the key on, see what we get for pressure. Tell me what we get. I got to hook up the battery. Battery's hooked up. Let's turn the key on. Oh, it's showing 60 pounds. I got something else going on here. Yeah, this ain't good. Something's ain't right. It wants to fire. I got proper fuel pressure. But the pump doesn't shut off for some reason. I don't know, man. Anyways, that's how you can do it, right? All right. I'm going to figure out what's wrong with this truck because I just put this motor in, so I don't know what's going on. Could be my tip on, I don't know.